A quick walk around on this customer's Vagabond Rogue that arrived here today. This customer opted for a vehicle charge wiring to be set up. That's an optional extra. Here's the nice big nose cone with your fire extinguisher in there. I usually put the filler kit and draft skirts in here as well, and other bobs and bits. Alright, and walking around, this is also an optional extra. It's the annex room awning that the customer opted for. The interior, this is the annex room awning walls and floor piece. That's in that bag. Over here it's just all the little bobs and bits. The extension cable for that forward vehicle charging plug, that, as I mentioned, is optional extra. On the interior, in the middle here, there's a voltage meter indicating voltage with two USB outputs. There's a HELA plug output in the corner there. That's your 220 volt output. And then yes, you've got these pigeonholes on the top here, which has a light you can switch on and off as well. There's switches on both sides of the caravan for all the lights. And then in the middle there, obviously roof, there's your roof hatch. Your main interior light is over there. That can be amber or white. The two exterior lights, they can also be amber or white. There's awning poles and guide ropes in that bag. This customer opted for an extra table, but as standard you do get one table. And then inside that box there's the filler kit and draft skirt kit, as well as the ground sheet. And the mattress is currently still wrapped up. The mattress can fold into a couch or obviously into your bed, or completely folded away like this currently. Alright, so that's that. Your spare wheel sits on this side. I'm currently quickly giving it a charge. On the bottom here there's your external water outlet, and the little kitchen. There's your fridge. On the kitchen side, this switch gives power to the external water pump for extra pressure if someone opted for a geyser. There's an extra HELA plug as well, or you can also use the pump if you want to empty your water tank quicker and put in fresh water. Same light as the interior one, can go amber or white. And then your basin. Over here is your crockery that comes standard as well, 4 of each: cups, plates, bowls and glasses. And then over here is your little cutting board that lifts up like that, and then that stainless steel bucket can come out as well to access that storage unit. There's your kitchen 220 volt outlet, and then like I quickly showed here in this compartment, that's your standard charger that you get with the caravan. This customer again opted for a solar controller, and then the battery is behind this service panel. This customer opted for an upgraded lithium battery as well. Right, so that is a kitchen. On this side there's your water filler cap for your water tank. There's the awesome 270 L-shaped awning that comes standard on the Rogue models. And then this customer also opted for a gas bottle holder. The gas bottle holder is adjustable. You can use a 3 kilogram or a 5 kilogram gas bottle in here, and you just adjust it there, over there. Oh, and then the solar input, it's at the bottom here, left bottom. There's the solar input, and again the solar is an optional extra. And yeah, that's about it. The awesome Vagabond Rogue Teardrop Caravan.